This beautiful caramelized banana upside down cake is the perfect dessert to make when you have just one banana. Melted butter and brown sugar create the topping, and together with sliced bananas, they caramelize and create a buttery sweet layer to top a rich and tender quarter-pound cake. It's unbelievably easy to make. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a small baking dish with butter. So I'm using a 4 by 6 inch baking dish, and you can also use a 5 by 5 inch baking dish or a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Place the dish on top of a baking sheet and set it aside. I recommend putting the pan on a baking sheet to catch any spills while the cake is baking. Mix 1½ tablespoons of butter that we've melted and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar together in a small bowl and spread it along the bottom of the dish. Top with 1 sliced banana. It doesn't really matter how you slice the banana, slice it long or short. I'm going to slice it into small short pieces, and this is going to be the topping of the cake. Now we'll make the mini pound cake. Beat 2 tablespoons of softened butter and 6 tablespoons of sugar in a medium-sized bowl until well mixed. You'll know the butter is softened enough when you press down on the butter with your finger and it leaves a little indentation. Beat in 1 egg and 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 6 tablespoons of flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Add the dry ingredients to the butter-sugar mixture and mix to combine. Stir in 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Spread the batter evenly over the top of the sliced bananas and bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until the top is golden. Remove from the oven and cool for about 10 minutes. Run a knife around the edges and invert the baking dish over a plate. The cake may not come out immediately. Give it some time. In a minute or two, slowly remove the baking dish. Enjoy this cake warm as it is, or add a dusting of powdered sugar to the top. You can see that the banana topping just melts into the cake, and you get some of that delicious topping in every bite. So be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.